Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. This video will be a hair tutorial. I'm just going to show you how I created this simple yet elegant hairstyle. So the first thing I'm going to do is just take my hair down. That's my hair, y'all. And I'm going to start by parting the front section in two, like so. And I'm taking it down to the side, right on the top of my ear. And I'm about to do the same thing on the other side, y'all. And I'm just gonna section that back. I'm just gonna secure it, keep it out of the way so I can work on the front section first. If it's your first time on my channel, thank you so much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe for more videos and hit that notification bell to get alerted when I post new videos. So I'm using this leave-in cream by African Pride to just moisturize my hair, make it feel hydrated and smooth, and get it ready for styling. All right, let's get started. I'll be using elastic bands to style my hair front. So starting off with just a simple part, and I'm going to part that in two. As you can see, this part of my hair is very thin. Elastic band, and I'm going to do the front one first. In a matter of seconds, you'll see why. I'm just going to pull that to tighten it. Next, I'm going to take the back one, and I'm also going to include this first one into the back one. This is what it looks like. Simple, huh? This one, I'm gonna braid this one. Just trying to create something here. Let's braid this one. Just going to secure the end of the braid. I'm not going to braid it all the way out. I'm just going to secure where the braid ends with the elastic band. So I'm just going to continue and finish off the rest of this. Pull to tighten that last one. So the front is now complete. Isn't that pretty? Okay, now on to the back. Alright, for the back, I will be using Flexi-rods to curl up the back. So I'm going to take that same leave-in cream to moisturize and hydrate my hair. I'm going to rub that all over the back. I'm going to add some oil to my hair before I put in the Flexi-rods. This is the oil I'll be using. It's carrot and aloe vera oil. And I'm going to oil my scalp between the parts with this as well and apply some to the back. And just put some randomly in the back of my hair. I'm going to rub a little bit onto the ends. Alright, so I like to work in sections, so I'm going to section the back in two. It doesn't have to be neat or anything. Let me just put this section over here, just secure that out of the way while I work on the first section, this one. So I have 10 Flexi-rods, which means I need 5 to work over here and 5 over here. And then I'm going to wrap it onto the Flexi-rod. And secure it. So basically, I'll be getting some loose curls. If you want tight curls, then you gotta use smaller Flexi-rods and smaller sections of hair. Let me secure this. I'm down to the last one, so let me just turn and show you how I wrap it on the Flexi-rod. Wrap the end around a few times and then wrap the hair around that end, and then I just kind of space the hair out onto the Flexi-rod and just roll it up all the way to the root, and then I twist the Flexi-rod to hold it in place. We're all done now. So I'm just going to put on a hair bonnet to sleep with, and then in the morning I'll do a video of how I take down the curls. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys how I remove the Flexi-rods from my hair to get the curls. So I unwrap the Flexi-rod and stretch it out, and then I gently unwind the hair while holding the hair so it doesn't drag out the curl, and that's what it looks like. And that's how I remove the curls or remove the Flexi-rods from each section of hair. I don't like like to just pull the rod out of my hair because I think you just pull out the curl, and sometimes the hair will get stuck under that little white cap at the end. So you'll see me showing one that I tried to pull through my hair and I didn't like it. So I rather this method where I just unwind my hair. This is me pulling one of them. See, it usually gets stuck, and then the curl is you gotta pull the curl too much. So unwinding it is better for me. So once I'm done that, I separated the curls to make them smaller. I just randomly go through my hair and separate the big curls into some smaller ones. So I'm basically going for a half up, half down hairstyle, which is pretty easy to do. And I'm just gonna do that right now. I'm just taking a little hair from the front and I'm going to secure it with an elastic to give me my half up, half down hairstyle. That's pretty much it. There's nothing much to it. You just secure the hair with the elastic band and voila, there you have it. There's my hairstyle. I think it looks so simple. It's so pretty. It's so elegant. You can wear this for any occasion. If you want to dress up, if you want to dress down, it is perfect for any occasion. And I'm not really an edges type of gal. But I'm just gonna take some gel and just brush in the front of my hair to make them just to make them look sleek, just to sleek them back, to make my hairstyle look complete. I don't know how to do edges, y'all. I never really practiced doing edges. So I'm just brushing in the hairs, because I want the front to be sleek and neat. If you like this video, drop me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about my video. Thank you so much for watching, and this is pretty much it. This is pretty much the hairstyle. If you recreate this look, just tag me, let me know. You may follow me on Instagram at beautifuled by J, or my personal account is Empress Jan. I'll put the link down below. And that's my hairstyle. Let me know if you like it. Of course, my face was beat, y'all. I did this look before I removed my Flexi-rods, and I was feeling myself. I think I liked it. It goes well with my outfit, and it goes well with my hairstyle. If you like the look, give me a thumbs up. If you like my hairstyle, give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching my video, and see you in the next one. By the way, these nails are from beautifulbells.com. Only $15, guys. Go ahead and get your set. See you in my next video. Bye.